Gregor Johann Mendel, 1822–1884, was an Austrian scientist and Augustinian friar who is widely recognized as the father of modern genetics. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for the understanding of heredity and the principles of inheritance. Here are some key details about Mendel's life and contributions. Early life and education. Mendel was born on July 22, 1822, in Heinzendorf, Austrian Empire, now Hinsis, Czech Republic. He entered the Augustinian St. Thomas's Abbey in Brno, now in the Czech Republic, in 1843 and took the name Gregor. Mendel showed a keen interest in natural sciences and mathematics during his studies. Experiments with pea plants. Mendel conducted his groundbreaking experiments on pea plants, Pisum sativum, in the monastery's garden between 1856 and 1863. He chose pea plants because they had easily distinguishable traits and a short reproductive cycle. Mendel focused on 7 traits, such as seed color, flower color, and plant height, and carefully recorded the characteristics of each generation. Mendel's laws of inheritance. Through his experiments, Mendel formulated 3 laws of inheritance: the law of dominance, the law of segregation, and the law of independent assortment. The law of dominance states that one allele, gene variant, can mask the expression of another in a heterozygous individual. The law of segregation explains the separation of alleles during the formation of gametes. The law of independent assortment states that different traits are inherited independently of each other. Publication of results. Mendel presented the results of his experiments in 2 papers, Experiments on Plant Hybridization, 1865, and On Hierarchical Organization in Living Organisms, 1866. Unfortunately, Mendel's work did not receive immediate recognition, and it was only later, in the early 20th century, that scientists rediscovered and appreciated the significance of his contributions. Later life and legacy. Mendel was elected abbot of the monastery in 1868, and his administrative duties reduced his involvement in scientific activities. He died on January 6, 1884, in Brno, Moravia, Austrian Empire, now in the Czech Republic. Mendel's work became foundational for the field of genetics, and he is now recognized as one of the most important figures in the history of biology. The term, Mendelian inheritance, refers to the principles he discovered. Recognition and honors. Mendel's work gained widespread recognition after scientists like Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, and Erich Czermak independently rediscovered his laws in the early 20th century. The Mendelian Society in Brno was established in 1905 to honor his contributions. Gregor Mendel's experiments laid the groundwork for the field of genetics, and his laws of inheritance remain fundamental to our understanding of how traits are passed from one generation to the next. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.